Hello everyone. And welcome to another comparison video. Please subscribe to my channel and help me achieve 1000 subscribers. Let's start. Today we will compare upcoming Samsung Galaxy S10 and Galaxy S9. And find out the best one. Samsung has improved the screen size with 6.1-inch screen available in Galaxy S10. However, the pixels are reduced as S9 has 570 pixels per inches. The Samsung Galaxy S10 front camera is expected to be 8MP, that is no improvements than previous Galaxy S9. But still, Samsung camera is loved by their audience for its performance. The Galaxy S10 will have O-notch for the camera with infinity display. Samsung is launching triple camera for their flagship this time, while S9 has single 12MP rear camera setup. Samsung Galaxy S10 is expected to be available with 6GB RAM with 128 and 512GB storage and a 512GB SD card slot. While Galaxy S9 has 4GB RAM with 256 to 64GB storage option and 512GB SD card. Galaxy S10 will have a latest Exynos 9820 chipset, while previously Samsung had Exynos 9810 chipset. This time Samsung boosted the battery sizes with 3500 mAh battery, while S9 had 3000 mAh battery. Galaxy S10 will be $900 in price, while the previous S9 can be purchased in $550. Both smartphones have a better screen protection, with latest Gorilla Glass 5 and will operate under latest Android Pie 9.1. Both smartphones are compatible with dual SIM options along with a SD card slot. Both smartphones have latest protection, for dust and water with IP68 protection. You can use both smartphone to pay any kind of bills as they do support mobile payment. Fortunately, both devices support the fast as well as wireless charging, with in-display fingerprint scanner. Both devices also have Face ID security, while Galaxy S10 do not have iris scanner in the latest flagship. Galaxy S10 will be available in black, blue, grey and other color. That's all from today's video. In our opinion, Galaxy S10 worth the money as they are giving so many advantages. Which device will you prefer? Let us know by commenting. And yes, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.